Hello, I'm the cat still, and today we're gonna play a game. The game we're playing is Mafia Definitive Edition. We just did quite a bit of story in a barely lethal way, so that's good. I saved
Some of those
Frank,
bottles I've had for 10 years. But we gotta make payroll. Get it out of here.
and Salieri is selling his booze
Good to see
because
you,
we're
boys.
doing bad.
Boss, any word on a job I pulled with Salvatore?
You did fine, Tom. Galati's got nothing on us now. We bought some time. At least until the money runs out.
Don't go selling off the farm yet, boss.
Sam says you worked out an angle.
Yeah, and you're gonna love it. We make a few bucks and knock out a couple of Morello's teeth, too.
Okay, what's the rumpus?
A couple of weeks ago, I'm relaxing in the cigar lounge at the Blue Tropics.
Where?
Some small-time whorehouse. It's just a couple of closets with some mattresses on the
It's
floor.
a gentleman's club. They got a bar and everything. Anyways, one of the Johns is south, and he's crying to the madam about all his troubles. He catches my ear on account of his goofy accent. He's going on and on about how he just landed this huge payday.
Okay.
But the goons he's working for are already twisting his arm. He's got
Okay.
a busted nose to show for it.
You pick up his tab?
Hell no. But I walked him out of the place, took him to the diner around the corner to sober up. We get to talking. Turns out his name is Gates. He's this hick up from Kentucky.
Moonshiner?
Better. His pop's got a couple of real distilleries. And I'll give you one guess as to their exclusive buyer around these parts.
Morello.
And you think he wants to burn bridges?
Oh yeah. I've been working him steady, boss. He's bringing up another shipment tonight, but he's got his entire crew ready to roll over. All we gotta do is make it look like a proper heist.
I don't know, Polly. You really trust
Yeah.
this guy?
He's got no love for Morello,
Sammy,
I'll tell you that.
I would like not
like
to
we got a lot of
get you
options
shot again.
We'll be cutting up the last beam pretty soon, boss.
What do you think, Tom?
We need to replace the Canadian. If Polly says this Gates can do that, I'm in.
Where's the meat?
Where is the meat, he
Okay,
says.
do it. But you better not be playing grab
The
ass
meat's
this
in your
time.
pants,
You take Carlo a
Salieri.
little bill with you.
Sure thing, boss.
Once you have the truck, drive it back here.
Alright, got
Won't
it.
let you down, boss.
Don't make me regret giving you some time out there in the streets with the guys, Carlo.
You don't have to worry about it.
I know I don't. Tommy does that for me.
I'll keep your driver safe, boss.
Buona fortuna, boys.
Sam and Little Bill said to meet him downtown.
Vroom vroom. Alright. Pedal to the metal.
Hey, Carlo? Looking kind of like you shit yourself.
Get bent.
Big moment, huh? Finally running with the pack.
Listen, I spend more time with a Don than all you put together.
Sure. Sat out on the road waiting till he's finished with his broad.
Well, Polly,
If you don't want me to
you
come,
should be
I
nicer
won't.
to people.
It's fine. Boss doesn't have to know.
Nah, you coming. The boss said you're coming. Just, you got a face like you're being taken for an errand. I don't want Gates thinking we're
Watch out, will ya?
Where's Gates sour Morello anyways?
First time Gates pulled in with his trucks, Morello decided to change up the terms. The big guy himself popped him in the nose as part of their renegotiation.
This nose is gonna get more than a pop if Morello hears we're involved.
That's why we're pretending to stick him up. Then he'll go back to his pop and tell a sob story about being robbed at gunpoint. He'll convince his old man that Morello can't protect the merchandise. They'll need to find a new buyer out here, and he's heard of a stand-up guy named Salieri.
This plan is some bullshit, Tom. Polly told it to me yesterday, and somehow it's gotten worse.
Hey, when you get a lead for the boss, and you don't just drive him places, then you get to pick holes. Till then, shut your damn mouth.
Whatever helps you sleep. When
Poor
Morello turns
Carlo.
around, don't come crying to me.
You serious? You actually serious?
Fellas, knock it off.
Yes.
Christ.
My god. Polly, I know you were a dick, but damn. Not that big of a one. Okay. Almost. Let's up. There we go.
I do a lot of deals here. Parking attendant don't ask for much dough. Always closes up shop till I'm done.
Okay, we're good. Gates is waiting up on the top floor.
Okay.
Come on, let's go.
Let's go up the spiraling parking lot.
Place seems clear so far.
Only people with cars are people with jobs. 9 to 5, place is deserted.
Well, we got jobs
True.
and we're here.
That kind of a job, sure.
Well, yes.
Anything else we need to know about Gates, Polly?
Only that he's got a bust-up nose and crates
And
full of
his
the good
name is
stuff.
Bill. Bill
Our kinda
Gates.
Our kind of guy. Park up over there.
And almost.
Good to see you, pal.
Yeah, you too, Gates.
Well, I hope you all have good taste in whiskey.
I ain't really the
Whiskey.
expert here. Tommy.
Nice sip.
Oh, yeah. It's fine. Your first payment. If the Don's impressed, he'll finance more runs.
And each one's gonna be bigger than the last. We're all gonna be rich, boys.
Well, we are always happy to do business with good folks like Don Salieri. Please, give him my regards.
Sure thing. Now we just gotta conclude this transaction.
Oh, damn it, Paulie! No! It's okay. Oh,
What? I told you we gotta make it look like a proper robbery.
damn thing's gonna be crooked by the time I'm done with this city.
Ah, don't worry, pal. With all the dough you're raking in, you're gonna be able to pay for a new one.
Watch out!
God damn it!
Who's that? Who got shot?
Spell it together, Polly! God damn it!
Hey, over here!
That's 3 people in a single spray. Well, in a delayed spray at least.
They know about this because you always shoot your mouth off. Gates took a bullet.
This ain't
Ah,
as bad as it
she.
looks. Now take the booze and get. My guys will come for me. Now go! So long as you guys clear him out up ahead, I'll be safe here with the little guy.
Carlo, in the cab with me. You know you stead. Tommy, check for more of them. This thing ain't over.
Come on, I'll back you up.
I got it. Get me more ammo. Okay. Can I use the stairs? No, I cannot. Anyone else?
More of these guys?
Reloading. That's uno. Yeah, almost. I just need to pop his head. Oh well. Yeah, very nice. Did I get him? Ah, got him. Handgun. Handgun will work fine as well.
Get these guys off me! Take them out!
Another bug down.
Yes, there we go. Some healing, please. Cheers. Some ammunition, please. Mighty kind of you. Okay, next up.
Over here! You're in my sight.
Hey.
The truck can't get through this. We gotta put it out. Look for extinguishers or something. I see fire sprinklers up on the ceiling. We need to turn them on. There's gotta be a valve to turn someplace. Is there a way through this fence? Find a way in, Tom. I'll stick with the truck.
Yes. Wow. Okay, running through the fire ain't an option. No, Tommy, no! I died. Last checkpoint. How far in the descent was that? Let's see. That's quite okay. Because this place was gonna get There we go. And burn! No, stop reload. I didn't want to reload. Oh well. Yes.
I see fire sprinklers up on the ceiling. We need to turn them on. This only is one. Got you now.
Did you now?
Is there a way through this fence?
Did you now? Hi. How's it going? Oh, what's this? I don't know. Some healing, please. Oh, yeah, it was grenades. Nice. Oh, that's gonna be great for when they show up with more cars. I can just throw a grenade and boom. Get them all in one, well, close to one attempt.
Christ. Stay close and keep moving, fellas. Knew keep the booth safe. I'll move the truck with you. Over here. More, you shoot him.
Fun. One. Okay, where's the next? Where is the next one? No one? Pop. Okay, no, that one throws in place. That works for me. Got him.
Get the truck out of here.
All right.
Follow him close.
Let's continue.
If I know Morello, he'll have guys on the street. Lots of guys.
Looks fine at first sight. Let's get this magazine. Okay, no. Can I return? Okay. Sam, how's it going?
Wheels and watch my back.
Sure, Sam.
Sam, please don't die.
Definitely not.
Hear about my deal?
All kinds of beefers in this city. For now,
Hi.
let's get the booze back to the warehouse and try not to die.
Yeah, I knew it. We got more guys on us.
Okay, let's slow them down some.
Hit them where it hurts.
Get him. Can I get him? Okay, that's one. Get the next.
Morello sent more guys after us.
Okay.
Another motor coming after the Bulls truck.
Nice. Clean. Easy enough. Sorry, people. Try not to stand in front of us.
So I guess we are too.
Yes. I'm just following them. Whee! Sorry, people, for this of the slums. We're just passing by. We will give you $10 each as a compensation.
They don't stop coming, do they?
Nope, we're fine. We're still fine. Escorting the truck. Anyone else? Anyone else? Oh, we're fine for now. Okay, I left. Honk honk.
I think we lost them all.
Are you sure about that?
Let's head home. See what we got.
We got the booze. I mean, I know it didn't go to plan, but we
Yeah.
got the booze.
Yeah. So tonight, me and you are gonna drink a bunch of it.
Hey.
Just that much.
And let's enter. Hello, we got some booze.
Looks like a 38. Morello's boys caught up with you?
Yeah, boss. We took care of it.
What about the kid from Kentucky?
He took a slug to the shoulder, but he's a tough blocker. He and his crew dusted out as soon as we bumped off Morello's hatchet men.
Getting shot will give Gates and his pop another reason to ice Morello out of the whiskey business.
Well, let's see if this hooch was worth all the trouble.
Is it good? Is it meh?
Excellent. I'll work out the details with Papa Gates. But once we're running this Kentucky Brown, we'll be back in brass buttons. Good work, son. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of all of you. Salud!
Hey.
Salud!
To the whiskey. To the nice whiskey. Great deal. Another intermezzo. Okay.
Sounds like Salieri was getting ready to make his move.
Working up to it, maybe. But then, Prohibition ended, and the bootlegging business got knocked on its ass. Oh, that fighting over booze meant next to nothing. Took us a few years to recover. But when we did bounce back, boy, it was something. We took what dough we had from the moonshine and Canadian whiskey and invested it into new records. Some of them even legal. Construction, restaurants, trucking, gambling. We branched out into everything, except peddling dope. By 35, things were looking up.
Okay.
We had good money rolling in on the regular. I had a wife and daughter. Sam was running a club for the Don. Even Paulie had a few records of his own. Wasn't exactly happy, but what do you call it?
Content.
Content.
Hey.
Yeah, that was it. And Salieri, he finally starts talking about getting out of Morello's shadow. Maybe buying our own cops, our own politicians.
That's interesting. You think Salieri was sourcing highbinders in 34?
Maybe. Why?
Well, a few years back, the Vice Squad got a judge on solicitation of a minor. Once in the box, he started confessing all sorts of misbehaving, trying to get a deal. But he copped to taking kickbacks from Morello and your man Salieri. Playing them off one another, trying to goose the take. But once Morello found out, he threatened to bury the judge's kids on the beach. Still breathing, of course.
Christ. That was the missing piece.
How's that?
Morello was always winding us up, but he never did anything that might start an all-out war. Learning Salieri was building his own bench must have finally tipped his scales, because in 35, he hit us with both barrels.
Okay. So business went bad, business went better, and then suddenly, apparently, he decided to go all out.
Pasted it on his face.
Tommy,
Oh, hey, boss, what's going on?
I'm glad you're here.
There you go, boss.
I'm going to Pepe's for lunch, but Carlo called in sick. You up for a drive?
Sure, boss.
Bravo. I'm already starving. You got a piece on you?
Yeah. You think I'll need it?
You know how it is. Things with Morello have been a little quiet lately. Maybe it's just got me jumpy is all.
Okay. Well, it's been a couple of years, so apparently I got in way friendlier with the boss. And look at the car that I have now. Oh my. Vroom vroom.
So how's business, Tom?
Hey, you know how it is. It's good.
Sure, I know the business. I see the books every day. But since what happened, I know that a capo needs to talk to his soldiers without some other guy getting in the way.
Yes.
I guess we're mixing with a better sort of person now. And I like dealing with all these big shots we got on the pad.
Let's add the limiter for now.
Grifters trying to shift their hooch before the 21st went through.
Ah, this is only the start of it, Tom. I got plans. Plenty of good people lining up for a slice.
Glad to hear it.
Very nice. And it's good that we even have some legal activities. That way we still have some revenue, that if the cops find out about it, we can just say, hey, all our money is from, what is it? Yeah, selling alcohol, since alcohol is legal now.
Must be nice for you. Sometime
Overtaking
away
a
from Polly
cop.
and his cockamamie schemes.
That's better conversation.
But I'm not
boss. I give you that.
driving over the speed limit, so they
Sure I am.
Me, Sam,
can't
and
get
Paulie,
me.
though, we're still real tight. We've been through some times together.
Yeah, don't I know it.
But has Ralphie already taken revenge on Paulie? Because at the beginning he made a very menacing suggestion that he would get Paulie one day or another. So Ralphie might turn to Morello? No, no, he won't. Because we are still, well, Don Salieri is still giving him quite a nice place to stay at. And I believe Morello would make him suffer or just kill him outright. It is a nice car, though. I don't want to leave a scratch on it. Because, yeah. Is it my car? Is it the Don's car? Who knows? Whatever it is, we're going to the restaurant. And have a nice lunch. Yeah, lunch.
I have been looking forward to this all week. Wait till you taste the casaca, Tom. Oh.
Oh, more wine. Hey, more wine here, please, quickly. You're going to love this wine. It's a... Don Salieri. Welcome, my friend. Welcome.
Good to see you, Pepe.
Yes. Hey,
Yes.
our guest has arrived, eh?
What's on the menu today?
My mother, she would be so honored if you tried her caponata.
Excelente. Bravo, bravo.
Molto bene. Let me get you a chair for you, huh? Sit, please. Yeah. And to drink, a Chianti. I've been saving this just for you.
Yeah, bene.
Huh? Enjoy, huh?
I'm glad you're off the roof, Tom.
Sarah threatened to leave me if I didn't dry out.
I know.
She told you.
No. I put her up to it. Drunkards get sloppy, Tom. I didn't want you to make a mistake we couldn't live with.
Okay.
For you? And for you.
Peppy, the meal is a masterpiece as always.
Molto grazie, Don Salieri. Praise from such a gourmet as you, it filled me with joy.
You wouldn't call me a gourmet if you knew what I had for supper.
Oh. Oh.
Get down!
No, not the normal guests and the nice cooks and all that.
What the hell? Morello! Bastard could have at least let me finish my wine.
Yes.
Hey, Salieri! Come out of there and we'll make this quick.
I hope Pepe is alive.
Smoke him out, Joe. Shit, watch out!
No! How dare you?
We aren't going out the front door. Can you move?
Not fast enough.
Oh,
We're gonna ambush these boys.
we got a weapon.
I'll keep them entertained while you slip out the back and circle around.
You sure, boss?
Blow them all down, Tommy. Not one of them goes home tonight.
Okay, boss. Be careful.
Tom, just be quick about it.
So you asked for speed? Speed it is.
That feels good. Come and get me, you sons of bitches!
I'll be back once it's clear.
Some ammo. Some healing. What is the next?
First your boss, then the rest.
There we go.
Angelo's coming through the alleyway. With me.
Okay.
I've been for this a long time. There. You still breathing, Tommy?
Ah. Okay. I was a tad bit too hasty, but we'll get him next time, boys. We'll get him next time. Buon appetito. Okay. Easy enough. Easy enough. Continue up. Get some of the healing. Get some of the.
Grabbing cover.
There we go. 1, 2, 3. I said 3. Thank you.
Gonna fill this guy with shot.
4. Easy.
Coming through the alleyway.
How the hell did he get me there? Did I not get any grenades? Clean shots, clean shots.
Don Salieri! Boss! It's clear!
Oh, look at the balls on this kid. Save my ass, Tom.
We gotta go, boss. The cops will be here soon.
I need a minute to catch my breath.
Well, let me get you back to the bar.
No, not the bar. We're going to see Carlo. That son of a bitch knew where I was going today, and he calls in sick.
He set you up.
To us, Tom, you could have ended up just as dead.
Yeah, I know, boss.
Carlo's shacked up with some dame in Holbrook. Let's go see what he has to say about all this.
All right. Goddamn,
Step
Carlo.
on it, Tom. Every minute Carlo's still breathing is a minute that's got me pissed. Sure, Buzz. Can't believe these bastards had the brass balls to wreck my car.
Ah. Oh, so it was his car.
Had to be Carlo, didn't it? His pop was tight with Morello right when we started out. Apple don't fall far from the tree, huh? I
Yep,
wept at his
apparently.
funeral. At his son's, I'll be laughing loud. His mom's already a widow, Tom, and now he's gonna make her lonely till the day she dies. For what? Some dough to buy his soap? And my foot through his face.
Yes. Probably that.
You know what? I'm glad. I'm glad this happened. I get to plug another rat. Come on, Tom, we don't have time for this.
Sorry. I'm not the driver you think I am. I may have won the whatever it is cup. I may be a cabbie. I may have driven every one of the familia everywhere. But I'm not a good driver. You know that, Don. You know that. Yes, thank you.
You know what? I'm glad. I'm glad this happened. I get to plug another rat, and we finally go to the mattresses with Morello.
Yes.
Today's the day the dam breaks.
Sure feels like it.
Alrighty then.
Buzz, why don't you let me go first, huh? Carlo might be waiting for us.
No, Tom, my face is going to be the first and last thing this bastard sees.
Hey.
What the fuck? You goddamn dirty grifter.
You better dangle, sweetheart.
It's gonna be a closed casket, Carlo.
Oh boy.
You okay, Buzz?
Yeah, just a little one. Let me catch my breath.
Jesus, he's fast for a big guy.
Don't let him get away!
Can I shoot him?
Help! Help me, someone!
Come back here, Carlo!
Come here, you little shit. Come here, you bastards.
Hey, we ain't finished with you!
No, we aren't. Come here. I do not have any guns because I would shoot him in the leg.
Think about this, Tom. Please.
No. You did this to
I can
yourself.
explain everything.
You did it to yourself.
Morello, he was gonna kill Mom. I had to do it. I had to. They made me do it, Tommy. Please.
Yes, yes.
I can explain.
Shooting him in the leg, really.
Is he still alive?
I'm not sure.
Poor Carlo, getting his face stomped in. But that's what happens for ruining a very nice restaurant.
Now we're sure.
Hey, Sergio, how are you? Keeping out of trouble?
Sure. Who's this? Wait a minute. Is that Gordy? It is. Hey, Gordy, how you doing, buddy? Hardly recognized you. What'd he do?
Who's Gordy?
You said you were having some trouble down at the docks, right?
Yeah, it's nothing I can't handle.
Yeah, well, I did some asking around. This asshole was planning a strike. Strikes are no good for business.
Yeah, well.
For it, right?
Right.
So I decided the union needed a change in leadership. That all right with you?
Of course.
Mm-hmm.
Good. Now, what about that other thing?
That's why I'm here. Salieri's still alive.
Oh, bastards.
God damn it!
You didn't get us. He has the best guard alive.
I don't know yet. Crew we sent is dead. Restaurant's all shot to hell.
Stop your crying. Trying to have a conversation here. What about the cockroach Carlo?
Found him with his head smashed in like a fucking watermelon. Never seen anything like it.
Yeah, they must have figured color was the rest. God damn it. Even hear myself think.
It's gonna be a war.
I told you to shut the fuck up! We've been at war since we killed Papone. It's just out in the open now.
What do you want me to do?
Make your rounds. Tell little boys to keep their eyes peeled and their powder dry.
Okay. Put the word out.
We're at war.
Right. Just, keep your head down, little brother.
You too, Don Morello.
The day the war began. Thank you all for watching this episode. The war has begun, and now we will be shooting lots of Morello's guys from now on. If you did enjoy, hit like, hit subscribe, hit all of the buttons down below, and say something nice to each other. As always, see you next time, and bye.